buddy.
Yeah.
You just got done with trick or treat. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I sure did. And did you like my outfit at Grammy's house?
Yeah. Your Catboy outfit?
Yeah.
Totally awesome. Okay, let's see how well you did. Oh my gosh.
I can't see. I can't see.
Okay.
Can I see?
Looking good.
Can I see?
Okay, buddy. Hey,
Come.
gum.
Let's break it open.
Let's don't. You chew it up and put it under the cushions. Okay. Hey, buddy. What do you got to say to your people on your channel?
It's time to be a hero, I guess. Let's say
No.
it like this. It's time to be a hero. That's
Okay.
what I say.
And what do you say to your fans of your channel?
It's time to be a hero. If you like our videos, give us a big thumbs up.